One roof age ban can create 3 carrier actions: prefill it, inspect it, or kick it to review. That is the operator point. Age is not the lead. Confidence is.
So how do insurers actually estimate roof age? They do not just trust what the homeowner typed into a form, and they do not treat the agent's answer as final truth. That answer may be useful, but the carrier wants a source stack: aerial imagery, permit data, assessor records, weather risk context, property records, and model confidence.
The stack exists because roof age is attached to money. It can affect quote-to-bane speed, underwriting review, rating, renewal handling, roof schedules, actual cash value treatment, deductibles, and inspection priority. On commercial files, age sits beside condition score, cover material, shape, replacement cost, equipment, and visible conditions. The carrier is not buying trivia, it is buying routing.
The cleanest imagery signal is a replacement event. If the vendor has one aerial capture with the old roof and a later capture with a new roof, the install date can be estimated between those dates. If the image history is thin or the replacement event is not visible, the output should be treated as a minimum age or a modeled estimate, not a perfect install year.
Permits are the next obvious signal, but they are not a verdict. A full re-roof permit can be strong evidence. Missing permits can mean the work was not permitted, the record was not captured, the job was a small repair, or the jurisdiction did not require a building permit for that version of the work. Permit data is useful and noisy at the same time.
This is where trust scores and confidence flags matter. Multiple sources plus a permit is a different file than one model result with no permit and one image. The carrier can use that confidence to pre-fill the record, accelerate quote and bind, send the roof to inspection, or hold the file for underwriter review. Confidence is a workflow control.
The expensive part starts when age touches the policy form. Some policies or renewals can move toward actual cash value, roof payment schedules, different deductibles, higher scrutiny, or reduced payment based on age and condition. But do not sell this as a universal cutoff. State rules and inspection rights matter. Florida, for example, limits some age-only underwriting decisions when the roof has useful life left under the specified conditions.
Also, old does not automatically mean covered. Insurance is usually responding to a covered sudden loss, not ordinary age or wear by itself. A roof can be old and still not create a replacement claim. A roof can be newer and still have condition issues. If your rep cannot explain that distinction, the homeowner conversation turns sloppy fast.
The age number has to be read with material, shape, maintenance, and visible condition. Asphalt, metal, tile, low-slope commercial systems, complex shapes, roof-mounted equipment, and storm exposure do not behave the same way. 2 roofs in the same age band can deserve 2 different inspection priorities. That is not a contradiction. That is underwriting.
Here is the margin math. Do not buy a list that just says old roof and call it targeting. Build 3 columns: age band, confidence level, and conflict signal. Old roof with high confidence and recent documentation may not be your best first door. Aging roof with low confidence, stale permit trail, visible wear, or mixed records is where a contractor can create value before the homeowner even understands the risk.
Your correction packet is the operational play. Pull the permit or final inspection if it exists. Attach the signed contractor invoice. Identify the material, add closeout photos, keep warranty or manufacturer paperwork. Then tell the homeowner to update the insurer after a replacement. You are not guaranteeing the carrier response. You are making the roof facts harder to ignore.
The Clean Talk track is simple. Your carrier may have stale roof facts, and stale facts can affect how the file is reviewed. We can document the roof, verify the replacement history, and give you a cleaner record before renewal, inspection, or a claim conversation. That is a better promise than fear. It is also easier to train.
So the answer is not one database, and it is not a magic year. Insurers estimate roof age from a stack, score the confidence, and route the file. If you run revenue for a roofing company, your job is to find the roofs where that stack is weak and the homeowner needs better documentation. Roof Predict can build that territory list.